So I would like to hear, emphasize that. Please speak up. Your voice is a little bit low. Okay, so speak up.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, okay, okay.
loudly so that I can, hear you properly.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so please, first of all, I would like to know about you.
Yeah, thanks for giving me opportunities to introduce myself. My name is Pradeep. I am from West Bengal and I hold a graduate degree. And in my free times, I enjoy traveling new place and learn about new cultures and trying new foods. And I am excited to meet new people, to exploring opportunities for growth. And currently, I am focusing on my explore opportunities, career opportunities. So
Okay,
that's all about me. Yeah.
yeah, that's very great. So would you
So
like
could you,
or
yeah,
not?
yeah, can you
Would you
repeat, please?
like to know about me or not?
Yes, yes, yes. Why not? Yeah,
Okay,
good.
Kumar, I'm from Uttar Pradesh and
Okay,
Badaui district. I did
okay,
graduation. My hobbies are reading books, talking with strangers like you, and exploring new things. That is my short introduction. So, if you have any questions, so you can ask. Feel free to ask. I'm ready
yes,
for that.
yes, yes, yes. That's good to hear about you. Your good introduction. So I am asking that you first because you are complete your graduations. It's Hindi mediums or it's English mediums schools you have been completed your education.
Medium. My, 12th I Hindi medium. Then after that, I graduation I did in English medium, and due to that, I failed in two subjects.
Okay, okay. So, have you faced any competitive exams or any interviews for job purpose? Are you trying to any competitive exam?
Yes, yes, I have a lot.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. So, when did it come at your mind just learning English is very essential and widely used everywhere this language? So, it's more is need to learn and it's just like change our personality and if you'll go anywhere. So, when did it come at your minds this language learning?
Yeah, I'm asked many times these questions, and this questions has become very easy. So let me answer that. You asking that when I started learning these skills, and when it occurred in my mind that I should learn these skills. Okay, so yeah, that's very great. Actually, it was during lockdown when everyone was locked in their room in their house, and so at that time I was in my college, and I was at home, and before that, I was when I was in college, so I was told many times by my teacher that if you want to speak, get better job, so you should learn these skills, and this skills would help you to get better jobs. So I thought for a while at that time, but I didn't take any action. So during lockdown, I started
Yeah,
about it, and I started exploring about it, that where to start and what to do. So at the beginning I had no idea, you know I
yeah,
had no idea. So I and on top of that, I had no phones, smartphone.
yes,
So
yes,
bought a smartphone by selling something. Actually, I belong to a very poor family, and so I bought a phone anyhow. Then I searched on, YouTube, and I got lot of contents related this. So I
yes,
got a little bit more confused about this, and where to start, what is most important to learn basic. Then uh, one day I found a video, and that recommended that you should, if you want to speak English fluently and without entangling in grammar, so you should buy a course, my course. So I bought that, and it cost 1000 rupees, and then
yes.
where I spent 6 months, and then at that time I got confidence, I think 50% confidence. that yes, I can speak English now. Then I started practicing with myself, but
Yeah.
it got a little bit, boring process, doing same things with yourself and asking questions and answering. Then one day I bought another question, and another course that cost 5,500, and where I
Okay.
spent 1 year, and on the top on that applications, only one benefit is that you can connect with a person in audio call. And then where I spent 1 years, and then I got 90% confidence.
Yes,
And
yeah.
when that script this script subscriptions was over, then I started practicing with myself. And one day I came across with a video, and that was I watched that video, and uh, came to know about this application. Then
Oh, yes.
I downloaded these applications, and he started having conversations. At the initial having conversation video call, I faced a lot of problems. Actually, I didn't think about how to speak and what to ask, and how to answer at the time. But when I spent 2 months and 1 or 2 months, then I had confidence and started practicing. Since then I have been practicing English and speaking English.
So you have also running YouTube channel? Because
Yes.
now there are a lot of students and there are a lot of people they have running YouTube channels for learning purpose, uploading videos. Just someone who is get benefit from this
Yeah.
video, who is just up in belong from village area, poor family, they will get benefit from this video because they have no.
I have, I
Yeah.
have, I have also a channel, and where I have 6,000 plus subscribers on that channel. But
Okay.
actually, I started this channel not because to earn money, but because to learn spoken English at that time. Okay, so I upload this video, and no matter viewers watch this video or not, but when I watch my video after 1 month or 2 months after uploading, so I got motivated. I that at the time I was speaking like this, and today I'm speaking like this. So
Yes.
yeah,
Yes.
I have a channel, and where I upload every day. And yeah, that is helping me, especially
Yes. Yes.
for, and I'm doing it for myself, not to others. No matter other people watch my video or don't watch my video, dislike me, hate me, comment, no matter, I just doing for myself.
Yeah, yeah, it's, you are correct because practice is the more important thing. So how much times are you spending in this language? And without practice, it's not possible to become a fluent because
Yes.
it's a totally depend on practicing. So if you are talking to any people and connecting with each others and eye contact you are talking, so that times hesitation will be removed and you will
Yes.
get fluency and you will be confident and confidently talking to the others who is just
Yes.
standing in front of you or you are just talking to in anyone in front of you.
Yes.
Yeah. So I
Actually,
also yeah,
yeah,
ask
of
me.
course. If you have any questions, so you can ask, and after that I will ask. Okay.
Yeah, ask me. Yeah.
Okay, so you don't have any question right now?
Now I have no questions, but after that you ask me. After that I will asking to you.
What? Okay, so let me ask. Actually, you know so you were talking about that if you want to be fluent, so you have to interact with people and do everything, and so that you can become fluent. Yeah, that's very right. So but sometimes it becomes very boring when we connect with people, with learners, and start asking the same questions every day. So do you have any specific things, so that it can't be boring process, so that we feel we are doing something new every day? Do you have any things, any specific tips and tricks?
Yeah, why not? If you have any topics or anything, so we can discuss it and some talk about these topics or say anything new. just like it's not a particular just of a hard topics, it's just normal simple topics you can discuss and say, learn new things. So it will be help lot to each
So,
both.
do you think it is, any basic? What do you think a basic, simple topic?
Yeah, just like
Example?
just yeah, so we can talk just like current news or current things is going on at our surroundings. So have
Okay.
you any?
Yeah. Have you heard any news that we can discuss for a while?
Now today I'm not getting time so to watch any news or anything. So if you have any about topics or anything, so please
Okay. Let
let.
me ask some basic questions to you. Actually, yeah. So, how long have you been using this application?
I'm not a long users on this application. I'm just coming last 20 days when I was scrolling videos in YouTube. So someone is told that Skype is best applications and people who is just like of creating the channel group, and so they will send the message in this group so you can easily connect with people and talk to them and you will enhance your speaking. So that's I was coming in this application. Before this applications I was using one application, talking application. So I was just connecting to the people just of audio call only, not video call, because it's just like a audio call is just you are not see and not visible to others, and just like of talkings. And in
So,
video calls, you can eye contact and talking to the people.
yes, okay. And before, this application, you were using another applications. So, if you have to compare, that applications and these applications, so which one is better for you?
Yeah, on this talking application, it's just like of taking a times to connect it to the strangers. But in this application, someone is who is just to get free, they go send the message in this group and you can easily connect with them. Okay, but on that application, you will just waiting for some persons and some strangers who is just pick up your call and then you will connecting, and sometimes it's network issues, poor connections, that time call is automatically disconnected and somebody is not interested to talking with you, they will disconnect your calls. So it's just take a long process and wastage of time. But in this, as you compared to this application to this application, so this application is very best for the learners and beginners.
Yep. You are saying according, rather than that applications that you are using in the past. That's okay. So, yeah, I would like to, are there any disadvantages on this application?
Now I'm not found any disadvantage in this application because every technologies and everything's having a positive things and negative things. So it's totally depend on whatever you want to learn, because you will want to learn something's positivity positive things, so you will take it, but not to go to this negative things and negative way. Because if you go negative things, the mind will be distracted. You will not go ahead and your goal and your just will be distracted and you will not focus on your study or anything whatever you learned.
Yeah. So at the last, I would like to know that do you have any specific, tips and tips that you are using to improve your spoken English, and you have not shared to anyone, even your friends, even your college friends? Do you have any specific tricks and, methods?
Yeah, English is just about new language and it's totally depend on practice. How much times are you spending? And so there are a lot of techniques available in your surroundings. If you're not connected to anyone and anybody, so that times you can use the mirror techniques everywhere, and every peoples are using their daily life to improve and enhance their skills. And then every peoples and every family having a smartphone, you can record your videos just of talking any simple topics or anything is going on at your surrounding. These topics we will record it. After that, when will you get free, so that times you can watch this video. What are you making mistakes? Making mistakes is
Okay.
acceptable.
Yeah, at the last, I would like to ask one question, and then we will end the conversation. That please, tell me your daily routine.
Yeah, daily routine work is just like at morning. I got up at about 6 o'clock. Then I went to this for some yoga and exercise in the outdoor field. And after that, when I come back to room, so after that I'm freshen up and then I'm get ready for go for work. And I'm just when I'm come back from work at about 3 o'clock. Sometimes it's getting late to 4 o'clock. I'm just doing private sector, doing work. So it's very need to earn money to manage all household expense. So after that, so when I come back, so then I was keep coming in this online in these applications to practicing.
Enough. So I'd like to recommend you something that, and I'd like to say that your speaking, the way you are speaking is very excellent. Keep doing
No,
it. Okay.
no, not that's like a good. My speaking, I know very well. I'm aware I'm making mistakes because I'm lot of videos recorded and some found
Yeah,
I'm making mistakes. So it's happening. Yeah.
it's a part of learning. When we don't make mistakes, we can't learn something new. Okay, and so that's okay. So here I would like to end the conversation. Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Have a nice day.
Okay. Yeah. Nice to talk to you. Bye bye. Have a great day. Thank you.